Okay, I was out here the other day, and inducer motor is noisy. So this unit is from, let's see, 2007. So that inducer motor, this is a 58MTB 0802 stage. So this inducer motor's been on there for what, 13-14 years. So we're gonna get that changed out. Not much light down here, not much room. Shut the power off. Let's see if I can get you better view. Got that unplugged, got that off. Get the pressure switch out of the way. There we go. And I'll take the hose off the trap. Grabbed. Oh, there it is. Came off nice. Vent. My extension. Well, that puppy don't want to come off there. There we go. Go. Take the standoffs off here. Gonna put on the new one. You gotta make sure to take that off because it doesn't come on the new one. They give you the clamps for the exhaust, but or the grommets for the exhaust, but they can't give you that little thing. Don't forget to put that on the new one. furnace. I'll get in the furnace. Stay in the furnace. Whatever. Since I already have the clamp on over there. Oh shoot, that's the wrong way. Yeah, I gotta, whoa! Gotta take that one off anyways because I gotta turn the motor around. Put this on down here. It doesn't come with it. Don't forget it. Put my standoffs back in. Okay, that's ready to go in. You get out of here. There is a sealing ring here that seals this right here, this ridge seals in there, so I don't use any caulk. Just set back up on the box here. Hoses are out of the way. Fit it right on in there. Screw it back in. That's good. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Get all my stuff back on. That's tight, that's on. Exhaust is on. Why won't you fit in your hole? There we go, there we go. Don't really have to put this clamp on, but because it's a royal pain. There we go. That's on, that's on, that's on. Hose. Connection, hose. Tight. That's on. There we go. We are done. Oh, and it's calling. Oh, nose is driving me nuts. You gotta be careful sometimes. These get popped out. Found them in the past where they're just popped out. So make sure they're on there before you start the unit. Tools put away. Let's watch it start up. Because it was noisy in high stage before. lot quieter. Well, that was just a quick inducer motor change on a Carrier, 07 Carrier. Anything that style is pretty much easy, unless you get into the variable speeds from that era and the inducer motor has changed and you got to remount the pressure switches. But other than that, it's a simple change out. You don't even have to use caulk. It's just simple as can be. So that's it for this one. I will see you on the next one, and we'll go from there. Thanks, guys.